Hey folks, this is your host Adam, and we're looking at what happened to All Star Medical. Go ahead and buckle up, enjoy some popping, because we're going to have plenty of popping in the background, and I'm going to tell you what happened to our famous website and YouTube channel, All Star Medical. Now, All Star Medical was one of our first medical educational YouTube channels. We were one of the first to display pimple popping. Long before Dr. Sandra Lee became famous, we were out there showing pops. And of course, we're not in her league, don't get me wrong, but we were doing it early. And we were one of the first YouTube channels that figured out, hey, if we make this educational, YouTube will allow us to show some of these pops. Well, unfortunately, at some point, YouTube took down our first iteration of All Star Medical. It had 70,000 subscribers. It was getting about 500,000 views a day. 500,000 views a day. 500,000 views a day. And YouTube took it down. They didn't give us any explanation and they never let us put it back up. So we made a new YouTube channel, also called it All Star Medical. And that stayed up for about 8 to 10 years. 8 to 10 years. We got 100,000 subscribers, and it wasn't quite as popular as YouTube started to age restrict a lot of our content, but it was still getting millions of views every month. And then YouTube took it down again. So here's what we think happened. Now there's a couple different options. It may have been too graphic of content. We don't know. Maybe there was some old music on there that YouTube thought we shouldn't have. I don't think that's the case though. I think what happened was that there's actually a medical supply company that was created and suddenly started calling themselves All Star Medical and reported us as faking their name, not knowing that we had actually come first. And YouTube, wanting to protect their corporate interests, went ahead and took us down and left the medical supply company up. That would be our guess as to what happened to the original All Star Medical. So before we start again or rename one of our other medical channels, All Star Medical, I think we're just going to keep our names different. So if you're looking for All Star Medical on YouTube, I just want you to know we're still here. We just had to change our name. We don't want to fight a battle with some company that seems to think that they're the original All Star Medical. That's fine. No big deal. Folks, we're still here. We're still making educational medical content. We're not doctors, but we think we do a good job of helping people know the difference between different types of skin ailments, different types of medical conditions, and just providing fun educational content. So anyway, folks, if you get a chance, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We're going to be around for a while making videos. We have new videos every Monday, and we have for probably 10 years on various channels, even if YouTube doesn't always like us. All right. Thanks again for your support. We appreciate every one of you. You're the reason we do this, because of the fun interaction. We just have fun with it. Our channels aren't monetized by YouTube. We're not making big bucks doing this. We just enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy it too. Thanks again for watching. Go ahead and pick up a Comedone extractor kit or some Restmore on Amazon. That's what keeps us in business. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I gotta show you these fantastic extractors and what makes them better than the competition. Now, first off, this is a large case. A lot of the competitors have the same images, but they're at 3/4 scale, so you get a tiny little product. Now, inside, you're gonna get a variety of extractors. Now, something nice about this is that they are of medical grade steel, okay? These are fantastic. And they are going to be designed to not spread bacteria. Now you get 7 total extractors and the high quality case. That's a bonus. The case and the extractors are stored in an air-conditioned facility in the United States that is going to keep them hygienic. A lot of overseas competitors put them on a ship overseas. They don't have them hermetically sealed, and molds, fungus, all sorts of things can grow on the extractor while they're stored for years at a time overseas. These ones are straight out of the United States. You can see the gripping material here, and each one is inspected for quality. That's another aspect. A lot of the competition are going to give you ones with busted zippers, 3/4 size, or if you look closely, you'll be able to see bacteria on them. Like you can see mildew and mold. These ones are fantastic, brand new, and of high quality. Now, there's a variety of loops in here. You have your the equivalent of like a Schomburg extractor, which is the type that Dr. Sandra Lee uses. That one's really nice. You have a bunch of different options. You can see each side. So there's 14 different sides here. Plus, on top of all that, there's going to be what is my favorite. This is the Lancet. Let me see if I can get that to focus for you. There we go. The Lancet itself is going to allow you to puncture those larger punctums and really pop the big stuff. All right, now you've got 7 different extractors, including a spade, which is going to be good for like cleaning your pores around your nose. Just press this around your nose, and you have the bigger extractor tool right here as well. Again, sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus for you. There you go. So you get a variety of tools, each one with 2 sides, this thicker handle here, high quality, and something that is shipped right out of the USA, Amazon Prime, and available for you. Again, medical grade steel, air conditioned facility, full size professional quality tools, high quality zipper, the genuine case. This can't be beat. So if you're looking for a great set of extractors, folks, go ahead and pick these up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. You're gonna love them.